What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video today. As you can tell, we're doing a birdie update again. And then, so they still got their normal cage. They just woke up about an hour ago. Then they still got their toys. They got, Mango has been going at that mirror the last couple days. And then Sunshine's been tapping on the mirror a little bit. And they have been snacking down on that snack. Whoa. Wow. And then so the two propeller thingamajigs, they haven't been on very much. And then the bells and that one with the 3 bells, Mango's trying to get inside of it. Try and find it here. Hold on, guys. See that one right there? The yellow. Zoom you guys out. They got a little swing on that side, and then another beak cleaner. And then we got the water. And we filled the food yesterday. Whoa. There, sorry. And yeah. So they're doing pretty good now, in case you guys were wondering. Because I knew you guys were. You guys will seem to love the birds. I don't know why, like last year it was all about cats and dogs. Now it's about birds and hamsters. What's it going to be about next year? Horses? Reindeer? Sunshine's grooming Mango. It's neat. Okay. And they still got their snack and the swing on there. We moved one of their perches over here. Mango's been on it. I've only seen Sunshine on it once. So yeah. And then they still have their house-shaped cage. And yeah. That's pretty much all. Hold on. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And yeah, so I will see you guys next time.